So the question is, how many x-intercepts does y equals 5x squared minus 3x minus 4 have? So there are a couple of ways to figure this out, but the easiest way is probably to graph it on your graphing calculator. And so I am going to graph it on here. So you see it has 1, 2 zeros. And if it said solutions, how many solutions does it have? It always has the number of exponents by the fundamental theorem of algebra, but when they say how many x-intercepts, that's specifically asking how many times does it cross the x-axis. Another way you can figure this out is the discriminant, the b squared minus 4ac. If it's greater than 0, you have two solutions. So negative 3 squared minus 4 times 5 times negative 4. Well, that's 9. That's 16 and 80, so 9 plus 80. That's 89. So our discriminant is positive. That's another way you can figure it out, but I would say just graph it on your graphing calculator and zoom out a little bit or get the proper window and just see how many times does it cross.